Barclays ready-made investments offered through its smart investor platforms are five diversified, risk-steered portfolios defensive to adventurers using primarily Barclay funds with a total of ongoing charge of 0.458% plus the platform fee, which could be 0 to 25% up to 200k euros or 0.05% above, and limited trading fees. They're well positioned for beginners. The portfolios are pre-constructed and monitored by experts, making it easy for novice investors to start without needing to pick individual assets. Research from investing insiders highlight above average long-term returns, especially in the global market, so adventurous portfolio, and robust customer service through FX and trading charges may impact smaller investors. That said, independent analysis of Barclays fund range indicates that most Barclays label funds, including those used in portfolios, have underperformed peers, with around 73% receiving only 1 to 2 star performance rating. Overall, these ready-made investment offer simplicity, clarity, and competitive pricing, especially for mid to larger portfolios. But investors should be aware that fund performance varies. Fees within, outside, and inside the portfolio can add up, and active traders or bargain-seeking investors may find better value elsewhere.